This story is from Mr. Science, and it is called The Secret of the Sounds, a Read-Along Mystery. Story by Ruth Tepper Brown. Illustrations by Alex Calamares. Hello, I'm Lynn. This is my big sister, Sato. Sato is in a band with her friends. They keep their instruments in our garage. Last week, Sato said I could stay and listen. Her friends were late, so she started to play the guitar. At this point, you see there's an arrow in the middle. You may press that arrow and listen to the music on the Mystery Science. Here, we can't do that. You just have to listen to me read the story. I wondered, how is it making that sound? I reached out to touch the strings as Sato played. I wanted to see how they felt. Stop and talk. Lynn's about to touch the guitar strings. What do you think will happen to the music? I felt the strings wiggle against my hand. Then the music stopped, and so did the wiggling. Sato said, "Don't touch the strings. It makes the sound stop." "Let me try again," I said. "I'll be gentle." Sato strummed her guitar. I put my hand on the string so softly, but the same thing happened. No music. "Why did the sound stop?" I asked. "Did you feel the strings wiggling?" Sato asked. "Yes," I said. Then they stopped. "The strings were wiggling really fast," she said. "Those wiggles are called vibrations. You need vibrations to make sounds." Get up and move. Stand up, hold a sheet of paper between your hands, and keep very still. Does the paper make any sound? Now, wiggle the paper really fast. Do you hear anything now? You're going to want to try that on your own. Sato picked up Ben's bongo drums. "Do you want to try again with Ben's drums?" she asked. "Yes," I said. Sato played a rhythm on the bongos. After a minute, I put my hand on top of the drum. Sato kept playing, but the drum made a new sound. "If you change the vibration," Sato said, "you change the sound." "But drums don't have strings," I said. "What's vibrating?" Sato smiled and tapped the top of the drum. I could see it was stretched tight. "The top of the drum vibrates when you hit it," she said. "It's like a stretched rubber band that vibrates when you pluck it. Vibrations make the sounds." Stop and talk. Where does the sound come from when you talk? Gently put your hand on your throat and quietly hum a low note. Do you feel the vibrations? Remember, before we had to leave school, we actually did this in the library? "Let's do Emmy cymbals," I said. "There are no strings, nothing that's stretched tight. Maybe I'll be able to feel them better." Sato picked up Emmy cymbals. "Ready?" she asked. Then she banged the cymbals together. I put my hands and gently touched the edges of the cymbals. "I can feel the vibrations!" I cried. The sound slowly died away. Just then, Ben and Emmy came in. "What are you guys doing?" they asked. "Playing with vibrations," I answered. "That's what music is all about." The end. Now, you don't have to do these activities here, but it does talk about a head harp, which would be a lot of fun to do. Just make sure you don't put the string around your neck. It just goes around your head. And it'd be a good idea to get your parents to help you. The directions are attached for you to do at home. And we're going to stop there.